Hey y'all, Instinct Survivalist coming again with another product video. This time the EDEUDEY camp chair. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's the way I pronounce it, so that's the way it goes. It's EDEUOEY. There you go. I'll put a link down below for you. And like I said, EDEUDEY is the way I'm going to do it. This is a camp chair, and one of the things about camp chairs specifically is I've seen a lot of people have them, and they're always these thin people, right? They're always these lightweight people. And I don't ever worry about the chair. They sit in it and it's like, oh, okay, no big deal. My big butt was 300 pounds when I was watching those people. And I didn't buy one because of that, right? None of them would hold it. None of them would worry about that, or none of them would even touch that. This one's rated at 230 pounds. I'm 250 pounds. So from there, we can start looking at the differences. It's load tested at 230. But I've put it on flat surfaces, concrete surfaces, the hill behind me. I've set it over on another, unstable environment or unstable land. No problems whatsoever. Now, keep in mind, I've only had it for 3 weeks doing the testing on it. And I've had no issues with it. Now, long term, so a month, 2 months, 6 months, a year, I don't have a clue, right? That's just the way it goes. But I know right now there's no noises, no creaks, no, oh my gosh, that feels weak, nothing from that. So keep that in mind. Now, this thing is under 2 pounds. It's 1.99 pounds, and again, lightweight. I've been able to throw it literally in my backpack. I threw it over to somebody the other day, kind of like passing a football. It was great. Everything is contained in this package. They even give you an extra foot for the pegs in case you lose one. So let's say one gets stuck in the dirt or cracks or whatever, they give you an extra one of those, give you a nice little carabiner to attach it. Plus you've got the Molly style straps on the bottom so you can attach it to your backpack if you want to go that route. So inside backpack or outside. So let's undo it and I'll show you what's inside the bag, and then we'll cut away and I'll actually show you the setup of this. All right. So inside the bag, the carabiner was actually in the bag. It didn't ship with it attached. The foot strap, the extra foot right there, which I think is cool. I mean, that's great. 2 would have been better, but it doesn't matter. So here is the mesh breathable nylon, if you will. It is Oxford nylon or Oxford mesh, if you will, and it's pretty stout. Again, they've reinforced the pockets for the poles. Which to me is huge benefit, because it's gonna make sure it's not gonna slip. So those are on the back. On the bottom, it is also double reinforced, and the stitching comes down into a point. So we're looking at triple reinforced from that perspective, again, to hold my big butt. Lightweight, just like you would a regular camp chair or outdoor chair, if you will, the stadium chair, whatever you want to look at from that perspective. The odd size, the way that it's shaped as a bucket, it makes it kind of weird to fold up, but it's not a problem, right? It's just weird folding. I think that's the biggest piece. I'm like, how do I fold this? Anyway, so there's that part. This is the other factor, right? So you've got this nice little retaining strap, keeps everything together. So when you're pulling it out, you don't have to worry about legs catching or anything of that nature. And it keeps it, all bundled up together. So that's really good. And it is attached to the cross beam of the chair itself. That to me becomes one of those factors where I'm like, great, I'm not hunting for the strap. If I lose it, not a big deal, because I'm not losing it. It's attached to this, and again, stitched to make sure that it is not gonna go anywhere. So real easy peasy. Let's cut away. I'll show you the setup video, and then the takedown is, well, just opposite, you undo. So not to mention the product manual is that tag that was on the side. It actually tells you all the specs, tells you all the pieces and parts, which are 2, plus the carabiner, plus the extra foot, as well as how to put it together. So there's that. I want to check one more thing, because I failed to do this because, well, that's just the way it goes sometimes. They do have different colors. I got the orange one because, well, orange. So they got contact information, folding chair, aluminum alloy, Oxford cloth. Product dimensions is 14.7 by 4.35 by 5.12 inches. Product weight 1.99, and level is qualified product. I have no idea what that even means, but there's all the information I think you're gonna need. Do keep it away from the fire. Never allow infants to sit alone in the chair. All right, so let's cut away. Let's look at the setup, and then we'll kind of look at some scenery as well and go from there. All right, folks, so there you go. I'm laughing because of the tape right before this. Anyway, this is the EDEUDEY chair. Again, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's the way I'm pronouncing it. So if I'm on par, then hey, great, I'm good for the day. Anyway, I'm glad they reached out to me. This has been it's been a fun little experiment. Again, rated at 230, 250 in the chair. If I'm not more than that now, so we'll go from there. But anyway, guys, check it out. Link down below, and tell them, hey, Instinct Survival sent you. So that's the way it goes. Anyway, hey, thanks for all you do. Thanks for likes, comments, subscribes, and well, comments. And until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching.